In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your logo to Shopify. Having your logo in the right place on your online store is a simple but powerful way to make your brand look professional and consistent. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside your Shopify admin, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your products, orders, and the look of your store. Once you're there, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up the area where you manage your themes, which control how your website looks. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme listed. To edit how it appears to your customers, look to the right side of that theme and click the option to edit the theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can preview your store and adjust settings in real time. Inside the theme editor, turn your attention to the far left sidebar. Near the top of that sidebar, you should see a small gear icon. This icon represents your theme settings. Go ahead and click it to open the settings panel. At the top of this panel, you'll see a section labeled Logo. Click on that. Next to the logo option, you'll see a button that says Select. Click this button. A pop-up window will appear showing your existing files in Shopify. If your logo isn't already in there, look for the option that says Add Files and click it. This will open a file browser from your computer. Navigate to where your logo file is saved, select the logo, and then click Open in the bottom right of that window. Shopify will now upload your logo file. This may take a few seconds, depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. Once the upload finishes, you'll see your logo listed in the pop-up. Make sure it's selected, then click Done in the bottom right. Now, give the theme editor a moment to refresh. On the right-hand side, you'll see the live preview of your store. After it loads, your logo should appear in the header section at the top of the page. Take a quick look to make sure it appears clearly and isn't blurry or stretched. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. This makes your changes live on your store so visitors can see your new logo.